The company is My Ride 901, and I'm here with Victor, whom I met 2 years ago here at Collision Conference at the York Region booth. Nice to see you again, Victor.
Likewise, Mark, it's great to see you as well.
So tell us how it's been going for the last couple of years and what My Ride 901 is all about and how you've evolved.
Sure, we've evolved a lot over the last couple of years. We started out as an app mainly geared toward vehicle owners, and we've expanded since then toward shops. And what we do is we connect shops with the data that consumers have on their app for their vehicles.
When you say shops, you mean like mechanics?
Yeah, auto repair shops.
Okay,
Yeah. So one of the biggest challenges the shops have these days is a car comes in and they have to spend time learning about the current state of the car. And with My Ride 901, we have an app that you can book your appointment with the shop, and it will actually create a link back to the service data that you have on your phone. So they have the data that they need to assess your car even before you show up.
So this is an app that, as a car owner, I would fill out some information ahead of time, and then the auto body shop or what have you, the repair shop would have that information. Just drop it off, and you're good to go. You don't have to go through that lengthy explanation about what's going on.
It's even better than that, Mark. As of today, we just released a new feature. I'm saying it now, so this is a scoop, that you don't need to enter the information yourself. You can take a photo of it. Same way you deposit a check by taking a photo, you can do that with the invoices and receipts for your car, and it will automatically put everything into the app for you.
That's great. You know, the lower the barriers of entry, the more adoption you no doubt will have. And I understand you're headquartered in York Region.
We are. Yeah, we live in York Region, and when we were starting out, we looked at a few of the other startup support teams around the GTA, and to be honest, we found places like Y-Space and the Markham Small Business Center and Markham Board of Trade. They were very supportive, and we're very comfortable with them. We wouldn't be here without them.
Yeah, fantastic. And then finally, how's your Collision Conference going, and what are you looking to achieve from the show this year?
Yeah, well, the first thing is we actually have a booth today, and we're showcasing our app. That's a big thing for us, and shout out to YR Tech and York Region Economic Development for inviting us to do that. We're collaborating with people because we have one piece of the puzzle. Somebody out there has another piece of the puzzle, and when the two of us meet, that's where the magic happens.
That's awesome. That's definitely a York Region hallmark, is the connections and collaborations and networking abilities. Forgive the noise, but what's the best website to learn more about My Ride 901?
MyRide901.com.
And I should ask you the significance of the name.
We get that all the time, Mark. So we started out wanting an app called My Ride. That was taken, so we thought, when I discovered the app, a long story, but I was out for a drive in an old Porsche I have, a 911. So we were going to call it My Ride 911. That sounded like a roadside assistance app. So I don't know how many people know this, but the original model for the Porsche 911 was the 901, so which is what my car originally was. So we went with 901. I think we've got to change the brand at some point.
No, I like it. Fun fact. But thanks for explaining that to us, and have a great rest of your show. Thanks.